Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can get from the Nutty Chest in the latest Nutty Fever update in Grow a Garden. So I just got two Nutty Chests from the acorn that the chubby chipmunk gave to me. So here, I only got two though, so let's see what is in store. Okay, I got, Farmer Chipmunk, cool. Let's get that first and see the whole haul before. So what you can get is hazelnut, Farmer Chipmunk, persimmon, idle chipmunk, acorn, and chinchilla. So yeah, that is pretty much what's in a Nutty Chest, and hopefully I get the chinchilla soon. I feel like it's going to take me a while to get there. But that is it for this video. To get the Nutty Chest again, you do need to claim it either from the acorns or from growing your chipmunk's weight, chinchilla, your chipmunk's weight to 1.25 kilos, etc., until it's like really big. I think it doesn't have like an end to it. You just need to make your chipmunk really fat. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.